Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a walk around this brand new Audi.
And here we have this absolutely stunning Audi Q7 in Black Edition specification with the 50 TDI 286 PS engine, famous quattro 4-wheel drive system and slick automatic tiptronic gearbox. This Q7 is finished in a beautiful Pearl Effect Daytona grey paint finish, and it doesn't lack in terms of performance, as it can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.1 seconds, and it's also packed with great features including Audi Presense front. Some of the key exterior features of this Q7 include the striking Matrix LED headlights, the gorgeous 21-inch 10-spoke star-style alloy wheels, as well as the sleek gloss black door mirrors, gloss black window trim and rear privacy glass, whilst there's the useful black roof rails. And finally, there's the eye-catching dynamic rear indicators and the power-operated tailgate, which is easy to use with just a press of a button on your keys. And as you can see, it leads to a really large and spacious boot, with a staggering 865 litres of capacity with 5 seats. And even with all 7 seats up, it still boasts a respectable 295 litres of capacity, and it's really easy to fold them up or down, as they're electrically adjustable with just a press of a button on the left hand side of the boot. And here we have the middle row of seats, finished in the gorgeous black Valcona leather, and these seats are comfortable and supportive and feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, as well as a foldable armrest with cup holders, whilst the luggage nets and rear air vents are other key features too. And here we have the even more impressive front interior, with the flat-bottomed 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, alongside the fine oak with grey finish inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior, alongside the absolutely gorgeous front sport seats, which feature electrical adjustability with driver's memory function and 4-way lumbar support. And one of the key interior features of this Q7 is the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation or the onboard computer right ahead of you. And complementing that, there's a 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, as well as external media connectivity and telephone connectivity too, whilst there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and there's the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile and even adjust the ride height of the vehicle. And finally, with just a press of a button, the rear view parking camera and front and rear sensors come up on demand. This stunning interior also boasts touchscreen controls for the dual zone climate control and heated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's the slick tiptronic gear shifter, a couple of hidden cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there's the Audi phone box, so you can wirelessly charge your phone whilst on the go.
This brand new Audi comes with 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please contact us online or call us on 01772 911 340.